because then you can see what it is. What do you think it's going to be? What is it?
I'm taking it out.
Is that you know what that is, Kaylin?
Oh, I don't.
That's a tea set.
This is a teapot.
It's for a tea party, you're right.
Can I do that?
Yes, you can do that. There's something else in there too. There's something else in the box.
Something else?
Yeah, something else. Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Mike and Emma sent it to you.
Wow.
What do you think it is? Do you need help? Or can you do it? What is it?
It's lots of food.
What kind of food?
I'm just saying, there's carrots and bread and a lemon and some lime and stuff.
That's
and
bread, I think. Is that bread?
And a bread and some food and watermelon.
You're right. Wow, are you going to have fun playing with your tea set and all this food? I think that you can cut the food.
Cut the food.
Yeah.
And the more food, then we open it
Yeah.
up.
Can you just say, Mommy's making a video. Can you say, thank you, Aunt Lindsay? Thank you, Uncle Mike. Thank you, baby cousin Emma.
Thank you, baby cousin Emma.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.